Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Next, you will look at filtering the result set of a query by using multiple field criteria. Most often, when you have multiple criteria in a query, you will either want the query to show records that match both value x and value y in different fields, or show records that contain value x or value y within the same or different fields. It's unusual to see an AND condition within a single field, but it isn't unheard of either. This is because when you use the AND condition, a record will only be returned in the result set if it meets all criteria conditions specified by the AND condition. When using the OR condition, a record will be displayed in the result set if it matches any of the criteria conditions specified. When you use the QBE grid to set up AND and OR conditions, you must make use of the multiple fields that appear within the criteria and OR rows. To establish an AND condition between query criteria, the query criteria must be placed into the same criteria row. This is typically how you will create an AND condition between query criteria. If you had to use an AND condition in a single field, however, it would have to be in this syntax. For example, greater than 10 and less than 100, all in the same criteria cell. In this case, you would find any amounts over 10 and under 100 within the field underneath which you place this query criteria. You may also join multiple query criteria together with the OR condition in a query. To establish an OR condition between query criteria, you place the query criteria into separate criteria rows under the same column. This is usually how you will use an OR condition. It also works the same way for OR conditions on multiple fields. Simply place the additional query criteria under the other field in the next OR criteria row that is available. It is useful to remember that any criteria placed into the same criteria row will be considered to be joined with the AND condition, and any criteria placed into different criteria rows are considered to be joined with the OR condition.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.